Think about brown cows, lots of them, boring, right? They all blend together, creating a monotonous landscape where nothing stands out. It's just a sea of sameness where everything looks and feels identical. Now imagine a purple cow. See, different gets noticed. That single purple cow stands out in the field, capturing your attention immediately. It's unique, it's memorable, and it breaks the monotony. We're flooded with choices today. Everywhere we look, there's something vying for our attention. Products, services, information, it's overwhelming. The sheer volume of options can be paralyzing. In this crowded marketplace, being ordinary is a recipe for disaster. If you don't stand out, you simply get lost in the crowd. Why? Because nobody notices the ordinary. People walk past it without a second glance. Ordinary gets lost in the noise. It's drowned out by the constant barrage of stimuli. It's the beige sedan in a parking lot full of beige sedans. They all look the same, making it impossible to distinguish one from another. No one remembers it, no one talks about it. It fades into the background, forgotten and ignored. And in a world driven by word of mouth and online buzz, invisibility equals irrelevance. If you're not being talked about, you're not being remembered. And if you're not being remembered, you're not making an impact. This is where the purple cow comes in. Imagine walking through a field and suddenly spotting a purple cow among a sea of brown ones. It would be impossible to ignore, right? That's the essence of the purple cow. Coined by marketing guru Seth Godin, it represents anything remarkable, anything that stands out from the herd. It's not just about being different for the sake of it, but about being truly remarkable in a way that captures attention. It's about being so interesting, so different, that people can't help but take notice. Think about the last time something genuinely caught your eye. What was it that made it so special? Think about products you love. What makes them stand out in your mind? Is it their design, their functionality, or perhaps the way they make you feel? Apple products, with their sleek design and user-friendly interface, are a perfect example. They don't just blend in, they make a statement. Tesla, revolutionizing the electric car industry, didn't just create another car, they created an experience, a movement towards sustainable energy. These are purple cows. They dare to be different and reap the rewards. They didn't just follow trends, they set them. But being remarkable isn't about being flashy or gimmicky. It's about authenticity and delivering real value. It's about being genuinely valuable and different in a way that matters to your audience. So why blend in when you can stand out? Be the purple cow in your field. So, how do you create your own purple cow? It all begins with a spark of creativity and a deep understanding of what makes your audience tick. It starts with understanding your audience. Who are they? What drives them? What keeps them up at night? What are their needs, their desires, their pain points? Dive deep into their world and walk in their shoes. Once you understand them, you can start innovating. Think outside the box. Challenge assumptions. Break the mold. Don't be afraid to experiment and even fail. Failure is just a stepping stone to success. The key is to create something that solves a problem, delights your audience, and is undeniably you. Make it personal, make it unique. Remember, your purple cow doesn't have to be a product. It can be anything that stands out and makes a difference. It could be a service, an experience, even a marketing campaign. The possibilities are endless. The key is to be remarkable in everything you do. Strive for excellence and let your passion shine through. That's how you create your own purple cow. Once you have your purple cow, shout it from the rooftops. Marketing plays a crucial role in amplifying your remarkableness. Use social media, content marketing, public relations, anything to get people talking. In a world saturated with the ordinary, dare to be different, dare to be remarkable, dare to be a purple cow. Because in the end, it's not the brown cows that change the world. It's the ones who dare to stand out.